In this video, we will learn how to fix Instagram notifications not working on iPhone. So let's begin. So if you're having the issue of Instagram notifications not working on iPhone, that is you are unable to find the Instagram under the notification tab in iPhone settings. So for example, if you go to your iPhone and here you go to the notifications and here you can't find out the Instagram and use that to turn on your notification. So the process to solve this is really simple and easy. So what you need to do is simply go and first uninstall the Instagram app, then reinstall it. So we need to just reinstall the app. First go and tap on, here we have the Instagram, tap on it for a while until all the apps start dancing. So here you can see now simply go and tap on this cross icon and here tap on delete. So once it is deleted, simply go and press your home button. Here we are. Now again go to your app store. Make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once you are here, simply go and here searching for Instagram. Here we go, Instagram, and here we are. Now simply tap on, here you can see the Instagram, tap on this cloud icon or the get button. In some of the cases it would be the get button, and here the installation process has started. It is all automatically, so just go and wait for it. I would be back when this installation process has completed. So once the app is installed, simply go and open your Instagram app. Here we go. So here we are in the Instagram. Simply log in as you want. So it says Instagram would like to send you notification, allow it. So once you have done so, next simply go and tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. Now tap on these three lines at the right top corner. Now tap on settings. In the settings, you can see notifications at the top. Make sure that this pause all is turned off, and here you can have multiple settings for different things, multiple notification settings. Simply go as you want. So once you have done so, now if you go to back to your iPhone settings and here go to notifications, and in the notification you want to search for the Instagram, here you can see the Instagram is here. So hope it has helped you in solving or fixing this issue of Instagram notification not working on iPhone. So hope it has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe.